Hey guys, welcome back to MF Home TV. Today we're gonna do another episode of Let's Recreate on a Budget. I hope you guys really enjoyed last time we did this episode. For this week, we have a peg sent to us from Mark. Here you go. This is his peg for his mother's newly renovated home. Oh, so sweet, right? This armchair here, I really already have like the perfect idea in my mind. It's in my mind. Let's go to the showroom and see if I can find it. Hi, we are here again. Anyways, we are here at the accent chair area. And as you can see in the photo, it's an armchair. There are a number of armchairs here, and as you can see, nothing is similar except for the upholstered design. This is what I have in mind. This here is the daisy. The daisy actually comes closest to the peg, and good thing that it actually comes in a one-seater, like this. I don't think Mandaue foam carries the same color, so we chose the most suitable color for the aesthetic, which is this gray color right here. What do you guys think? Next, let's go find this furry ottoman. And no brainer at all, this little guy right here. And of course, this rattan ottoman. Now let's go look for the floor lamp. These are the floor lamps, and you can see nothing is similar to the photo. And for this one, I don't want to compromise the gold detailing and the big bulb design, because that's what made the floor lamp really nice. Okay, so I got this brilliant idea to get this table lamp, because we couldn't find a floor lamp with the same design, but I didn't want to sacrifice the big bulb and the slim gold design. So that's why I found this, and I think it would go great. Our only problem would be the height, but I have a perfect solution to that. All you have to do is place it on top of a table. And another great reason to get this, it's because it will look amazing with our white furry ottoman. This is the side table we'll be getting. Because of its gold design, it will look like one cohesive piece together with the lamp. Don't you think? G, let's go, let's get it. Black and white geometric pattern here. Black and white geometric pattern there. This is the one. Ito na naman. Itong bookcase na naman. Best in talent na ata to sa MF Home TV. Ang daming screen time. Dami. But yes, some more bookcase. Okay, we've got the big pieces now. Chair, ottoman, lighting, carpet, bookcase. Let's go get the decors. yeah, we are done with the entryway. Take a look at this recreated Pinterest room on a budget. I think Mark's mom is gonna love it, don't you? Don't forget to submit your own inspo rooms that you might be eyeing, and check with us that maybe we can use Mandaue foam furniture for it. Email us at mandauefoamhometv@gmail.com with the subject, Let's Recreate. See you all again next time. This has been Bianca for your favorite channel, MF Home TV, inspiring your home. Congratulations to last week's winner. Here's this week's prize.